Welcome back to AM Northwest. Thousands of runners hit the road this weekend for the annual Hood to Coast Relay, all to raise money for research and clinical trials at Providence Cancer Institute. Here to share how the relay is helping to save lives, we welcome oncologist Dr. John Godwin and cancer survivor Bill Richardson. Good to have you both here. First, though, Bill, let me get your story. You were diagnosed in '08 with lymphoma, right?
That is correct.
And how did you treat it?
Initially, for the first 9 years, I was treated primarily with infusions of Rituxan, which isn't technically chemotherapy. And then about 2 years ago, it became a lot more aggressive, and I had more traditional chemotherapy treatment.
But it wasn't working.
After the first 2 complete campaigns of chemotherapy, PET scans a month after indicated there was much more cancer left than they would hope for and expect. And so essentially it was not working. It would take out some of the cancer, but not all of it.
And you were taken off treatment.
In December, I had another, a more aggressive treatment, and I had serious side effects and complications, and oncologists at the time decided that I should not continue that campaign.
Wow, oh my gosh. And doctor, how did you come in and what happened then when you came in? Because you were running clinical trials, is that right?
We were running clinical trials at Providence, one of only 11 places in the country where you can get this novel new therapy called CAR T-cell, specifically the one that's in trial right now. And Bill came with this history, and he qualified for the study, which is looking at this brand new engineered immunotherapy for his cancer.
And how is it that he qualified?
Well, as he's talking about, chemotherapy had failed. So
Right.
this is a trial. It's not yet something we can use up front. But
He had no other options at the time.
He had no other options.
And what was going on for you? Because you were given a short time to live.
The 1st of March, I was given 4 to 6 weeks to live, and they reinfused the T cells the end of March, and by the end of April, instead of checking out, actually we had a PET scan that showed that I was clear of cancer.
That is just incredible, because weren't you like getting your casket ready and planning for your death? I mean, that's amazing.
I secured a burial plot. I purchased a plot, a monument. I'd worked on my obituary.
Wow.
I was trying to help my wife out before I checked out.
Yeah, wow, amazing.
He didn't tell me all that.
Yeah, he probably didn't want to stress you out.
He didn't want to
It's
stress
all
me
on
out.
you, Doc. But let's explain what immunotherapy is for folks.
So immunotherapy is many different things, but this particular treatment takes a specific immune cell called a T cell. It's one of our major immune cells in the body. Takes it out of the body, takes it to a facility to have it re-engineered. It's given an attack molecule that enables it to go directly to his lymphoma cancer. And at the same time, gives it a signaling mechanism to enhance and create a very active, angry T cell. So this is taken out, manufactured, takes about 3 to 4 weeks. Then we give a special type of chemotherapy just to lower his own body's T cells and enable these T cells to take hold. And they work amazingly fast.
Well, let's talk about how fast did you feel a difference?
Even though I've had cancer for that many years, I never had any side effects of the cancer until February and March. And by the time I was ready to have the infusion of T cells, I was having a lot of nausea, pain in my side. I couldn't sleep at night. I was having the night sweats, which are common with cancer. And one day after the T cells were put back in, the pain subsided enough that I could sleep at night.
One day?
Yes.
That's incredible. What did his scans look like after treatment?
So we rechecked this PET scan, the scan to look for the active cancer cells 1 month after treatment, entirely clear. No sign of the cancer at all at that point. So again, working fast, to me, watching this, it's even faster than chemotherapy to see overnight him feel better.
Right.
And so we're worried about him. I had him going into the treatment sort of right at the cutting edge of is he going to make it. And then quickly quickly it turned around.
That's amazing. And you're doing well now.
I'm doing great. I'm still trying to get my full strength back,
Right.
but I'm not restricted much in how I live my life. I'm trying to gain a little weight, but other than that, I'm doing great.
And how does it feel to know that Hood to Coast runners are doing their best to raise money and fund research like this?
I had no idea that I'm familiar with Hood to Coast for years and years and years, and I had no idea that they were funding cancer research. But obviously, I truly, truly appreciate the
Oh,
fact.
yeah.
It
And
takes
Dr.
an incredible team to do this type of
Yeah.
work. We wouldn't have this opportunity without the Cancer Center's funding from Hood Coast and other philanthropies
Right.
for this research, because we built a huge research program at Providence because of this support.
Right.
And that attracts this therapy to us.
And you're saving lives. That's just so incredible. Congratulations to you, especially to you.
Yes.
I hope you get a refund on that coffin. Oh. All right, we'll put the information for you on our website at k2.com. Contact Providence 503-215-6014.